Today we'll discuss about how to work with the affiliates sales here on school. Okay. Now the affiliate training that I'm doing right now with you guys is about understanding the importance of creating content first. Because without content, you will not be able to do anything. You need to have really good content marketing plan. So one of the first step that you will have to do is create content that resonates your referral program. That is very important. That means if you're like say for example right now I'm let's say promoting Davnik, which is basically Davnik's community, which is online business trends, then I need to talk about to the people on the YouTube front. I want to talk to them about how to start a YouTube channel, how to start a how to get templates for starting a YouTube channel, or maybe I could talk about thumbnails, I could talk about the cover picture on the YouTube channel that they are starting, or things like that, right? Similarly, if you're talking about your referral program, let's say, is health and wellness, right? Then you have to talk about immunity, then you have to talk about something to do with eating really well or recipes that can make a difference. Or let's say you give them a challenge and talk about 10 to 15 minutes challenge on improving your health or things like that. So there are some insights that you'll be giving them, and this is how the referral program works, and that resonates with your content. That's number one, right? Now, going to number two, posting the content in multiple communities. Make sure if you're doing it here inside school, post content in multiple communities that you're part of. Do not worry about the result; it will come magically to you. Trust me, it will come magically. A lot of affiliates that I have seen working here on school, I have a proof of another community which is doing really well, and where they are actually paying the affiliates on the go. When they actually refer somebody to their community, they convert into a paid member or through courses, or sometimes they convert to a paid community itself. Okay. And then next important part here is to check the status of those posts that you've done. So if you have say done 10 posts in 10 communities, go back and check how many people are liking that. If they're liking it, then you need to work on actually connecting with those people on DM. So you will actually be creating your audience or a magnet, lead magnet, and then only then reaching out to those people. So now reaching out should not be salesy. Again, that is where we will be working on creating a tailor-made content, or, messaging that is going to help you get them invited really in a polished way than you going and telling them, please join this community because, let's say you're saying you've got to make money. That is not going to work. You have to tell them anything else other than making money. So how do you tell that, right? The way to tell that is these affiliates are actually succeeding on school, and this is the terminology that you can use as a vocabulary instead of just talking about money, because yes, people want money, but that does not mean that you always talk about money, right? You have to talk about other aspects that they'll be looking at. So in fact, tell them, join this paid community. It will be a one-time investment. However, you could also get a paycheck every month to get yourself forward in your financial goals as well. This is how you will be pitching, right? That's another part of the thing. Now, going ahead and doing with connection with that audience, have that message personalized that you want to send to them. That message template you could create if you would like. I could probably do a workshop on this entire thing on affiliate trainings that you could join and learn from me. If you have a framework to do it, then you could easily do it, right? And then how do you do it? The invitation should sound like more of like a greeting, and it should not sound salesy at all. So the invitation for a community would be like they say, I would like to invite you to Business Growth Channel to enhance your strategic partnerships here on school. And this is what you will have to tell them. You will have to tell them that you could work on learning AI tools. That is one of the aspect that you can add in. But one of the most important thing that you'll have to talk about is partnerships, because Business Growth Channel, as how it is, it works through partnership. Without partnership, without affiliates, we also does not have much mileage to go ahead and do a lot of work on this front, right? And that is one of the important part. Now, the last and the major aspect of running an affiliate training program is having a strategic, what to say, outcome out of that program. So if you're striking a program for your paid community where you want affiliates to join, give them a strategic uh, outcome that could help them understand how they can benefit out of it. So for example, let's say talking about fitness community, right? So if you're running a fitness community, ask them to tell people to become healthy, and ask them to tell people to increase their immunity, and do not directly talk only about fitness, and that's one of the strategic way of actually inviting more people to the communities that you are trying to do affiliate sales for. Like, looking forward to see, I will be able to answer any of the questions that you guys have, and then see you on the other side. Thank you. Bye bye.